Good day. In today's video, I will show you two more Microsoft PowerToys tools under Windows and Layouts called FancyZones and Workspace. FancyZones is for creating various types of window layout to help you multitasking. Okay, if you use Windows 11, it's already available by default, and when you just click and hover over your uh, top bar, you can see all the available layouts there. Okay, but Windows 10, this is little bit complicated. You can just do this, or just do this, or do this, which is a single system actually. In FancyZones, if you go to under windowing and layouts and go to FancyZones, you can see this customization screen. Okay, you can check if the FancyZones is available or not by clicking it. You just make it enable. After that, if you go to launch layout editor, you can see all the available layouts, and also you can create your own custom layout. Okay, you can see if you go to create new layout, just you can choose the canvas system or grid. Say if you want to create a grid system, just click on create. Now you can see it's available. You can do your own thing here. Now if you press shift, it's vertically a vertical bar will appear, and you can just click on that one. I click on this one. Now if I want another layout like here, just click on when you click shift, it will go from horizontally to vertically. Okay, so let's say I need this one. I just click here, and I need another one right here. By this you can save your own custom layout. Okay, and also you can, if you click anyone, that will be auto selected. Like I want to work with this one, priority grid. I will click this one. Okay, that's it. It will be activated. Now let's say there is Window Explorer open, and let's say Chrome is open. Now if I click shift and drag it, all the windowing option will appear from priority layout. Like I want this one here, and this one here, and this one here. See, this is my custom layout. Okay, I can do other things here, but you can define your custom layout and use your custom layout with this one. Okay, then this is only applicable for Windows 10. Windows 11 has much better system. Okay, now what I will do, I will close this one. I will go to the next one. Next tool, this is called Workspaces. Okay, let's assume you are a developer. You need to use your Explorer, VS Code, and a terminal. Okay, so every time you want to work with that one, you have to manually find and open this one. Okay, that you can easily enable by Windows Workspaces. Let's see it in action. First of all, you have to enable the workspaces from here. After that, if you launch editor, see I have already a workspace is available here. I just remove it. I show from start. Okay, first of all, you have to create workspace, then click capture. Sorry, I did a mistake here. I'm just cancelling it. I will first what you have to do, you have to open the application you want to open when you work. VS Code is open, let's say git bash is open, that's my terminal, and let's say I need also Windows Explorer. Okay, so these are open. Okay, now if I create workspace, capture, you can see all the available apps is showing here which are opened, but I will just remove this one from here and these will be available. You can do other things, you can provide CLI arguments, or you can launch an launch as admin. Before launching it will ask for permission for everything. Okay, and you can open this if you want to open that in maximized mode or minimized mode, you can also do this here. Okay, let's say I want to open File Explorer as minimized, git bash as minimized, VS Code maximized. Okay, also I want to create a desktop shortcut and I will click on save workspace. That's it, my workspace is now available. Now let's think, VS Code is not here, git bash is not here, and also Explorer is not here. Okay, you just open your PC and you want to work with this. Okay, see my available shortcut is also available here. You can also pin it to taskbar. Okay, now if I open it, you can see my terminal is open but in minimized mode, Explorer is open in minimized mode, and VS Code is opened as maximized mode. Okay, so I think if you work with multiple tools and you frequently open this and close, I think this feature can be helpful to you. Okay, which is called Microsoft Workspace. Okay, I think this tool can be helpful in your day-to-day life. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.